Well, g'day. This is Sean from The Guy Who Sews, but I'm with my friend Martha on Martha's Creative Life. So we figured we'd change it up and let me introduce for once, even though, it's a little weird that I'm introducing on someone else's channel, but, we wanted to do something a little bit different. So
Yes.
it's date. We are almost halfway through this. We've had a blast doing this so far. And since it's an even number, that means I get to go first. So
Yep,
let's
it's your
see.
turn.
What is with number 10? And they usually add a little pattern here. And today it says do something creative every day. And that's something I do try to do as often as I can. Sometimes I can't because I come home from work and I'm tired, but a lot of times I doodle or I come up with something in my head, even if it doesn't go any further than that. Okay, so we've had a theme of me apparently where I think it's a Hawaiian print, and this, if the camera focuses in, looks like hibiscus flowers and tropical flowers. These can go along in my Hawaiian quilt that I'm designing.
Tonight, after this video, Sean, you're going to be looking for a Hawaiian quilt pattern of some kind. Or has anybody else found one for Sean?
I think Sean's just got to create his own.
I like that idea too. Who would have known that you were going to have this Hawaiian quilt?
And if anyone has the same fabrics as me, are you going Hawaiian or are you doing something different?
Yes, and I would love to know, since we're in day 10 now, how is that going for everybody? Is everybody finding that they're having a lot more of the same ones, or is it still completely different? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you.
Yes. All right, without further ado, let's see what Martha has in bag number 10.
It's Christmas.
There you go. That's pretty.
Like a cross between coral and red. So it's pretty. And then it's got metallic colors in it as well.
Oh, nice.
Very pretty.
And it might just be me, but to me that almost looks a little retro.
It does. Let me see, because I remember I don't remember which day it was. That was days ago. This one doesn't have the selvage on it, so I can't say what it is because it's not listed on there at all.
Okay.
But it does have a retro feel. It reminds me, like this ornament right here. That one right there reminds me of ornaments that my grandparents had on their Christmas tree. I have one left because all the other ones broke, but that's what it reminds me of. So yes, very retro. What do y'all think? Does it look retro to you as well? Have y'all seen this fabric before? I haven't seen any of the fabrics so far that we've unboxed.
Again, real quick for me, Martha.
Yeah.
Okay, right towards the bottom, can you see that like long cylindrical thing that's got like in the middle, the Christmas cracker?
Right
Yeah,
there?
right there. Yeah. Do you know what that is?
Candy?
No, it's what they call a Christmas cracker. It's almost like the middle part is a cardboard tube, and it's wrapped in like fancy Christmas paper, and then coming out each end is like a little piece of cardboard. And the idea is that you get two people, one on each end, and you pull it, and whoever gets the longest piece of the cardboard gets to keep the prize inside. There's usually like a piece of candy or a little toy or something like that in there. Very, very popular in the British Commonwealth countries like the UK, Australia, New Zealand, and so forth, but almost unheard of here in the US. I believe it was one of the Harry Potter movies had Ron and Harry pulling the Christmas crackers at Christmas time. It's just fun that it's in that piece of fabric.
That is so cool. I've never heard that story before. And I don't remember seeing that in the Harry Potter movie.
Yeah, I'm almost certain it's the first movie when Harry stays for Christmas. But yeah, definitely look up Christmas crackers and
I
see
will.
It's almost like the British version of when you do the wishbone on a chicken.
Yep. Has anybody else heard of the Christmas crackers before? Or am I the only one? Does everybody else know what they are?
I'm very interested now. I know like my friends Marge and Janet from Australia would definitely know what these are. So, that would be cheating if they said they didn't know. Yeah, so I
I
think it's
love
cool
it.
included that.
Well, I love it that you have all this knowledge, and you've told me before that it's useless knowledge, and it's not. I love it. Okay, so that's day 10. It's Saturday.
Yeah.
Yay! I hope y'all had a wonderful day if you were off today or if you had to work. Hope it was good either way. So we will see you tomorrow on Sunday. Thank you.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye.